Hello and welcome to this wonderful backdrop of the Austrian Alps just outside of Bregenz, and I have in front of me this MegaMobil 4x4 on an MAN TGE 3.180, and it is a campervan under 6 meters in length, and we'll have a look at it right now. So Delta, the off-road company, it's got some Osram lights which I can't demonstrate, but because it's light. But let's have a look inside. So coming up here, this 4x4 vehicle. Now, you know, many these vehicles are effectively built to order. So let's start off by putting the thing out. So we have the step up there. Another little switch we've got there, and that's for the light. I don't know if we can see it. No, I can't. So let's come in. It's a wonderful summer, or sunny I should say, it's not summer, sunny day here in Austria. So we have this at the back, the widthwise bed, and come over to that right now. Storage above the bed, as you'd expect in something like this, and okay, storage is quite deep. You can see how far back that goes. And we've got above there is the skylight, but it's got a fan in it. And let's come down here and show you some of the other. Got a bit of storage down there. Now in some MegaMobil models, they've got rid of this now, so that they've got the kitchen would come right the way to the very back, and under the fridge there's a step up to the bed. Currently that's the step now, so they've as you can see, that two variations on this model. Right, so as I'm not getting into bed, I don't need it. Now for MAN is quite difficult to build with, so this is quite good for a washroom in this 6 meter or under 6 meter camper van. And you can see, so it's quite a lot of space in there. A bit hesitant to stand in here. being careful. Okay, you can't see me completely. Hang on, I can turn the camera on, can't I? Forgot. There we go. So I'm inside right now, closed. Okay, it's a bit squashed, but I can just about manage, bearing in mind the size of the vehicle, and so that's the big point as far as I'm. Look down here, there is a sink, and the sink is fixed, which I'm very much in favour of, and under that a bit of storage as well. So here under this we've got the fridge, two-way fridge, which opens both ways, this way and this way, depending on which way you want it to go. And what's clever about this, I think, is all this kitchen space, but there's only one burner, and in other vehicles there are two burners. Now the point, I suppose, of having only one burner is this: it gives you all of this preparation space extra. But you might say, well, I'd rather not have so much preparation because I can prepare at the table anyway, so I'd rather have two burners. So I'm going to give you both points of view on that one. The sink for a campervan sink, normally I say this has got the same sink as every campervan, but this one hasn't, so this has got a different one in, and I think that's a reasonable size. Also got a proper domestic plug hole as well, so that's quite good. And let's have a look down here. So drawers, okay, reasonable I suppose. And the bottom one is, mind you, could benefit, as always I say this, from higher walls on each side. Now here we've got the chairs actually will move out a little bit. So you see, you've got two belted positions here, and the chair, this one will move, and we do that by pulling this thing here out, and that comes out down here. I'm not going to do it now because there's somebody coming to collect this van, and I don't want to start messing around with it. Don't want to catch me still doing a video of it. Storage here, and there you can see what the current score is on your battery and on your water, and that's your Truma heating. Now this I think is great. I really like a big skylight in up front. Now obviously the chairs will turn around. This one here, as you can see, is on an automatic basis, and gives you a little bit of a look from the driving position. So we don't often see in videos I do out in the real world, and this is the real world, even though it's just outside where MegaMobil Austria are. And what another thing I personally like, although I understand the argument against, I like a lot of height up here. I think that that's important for giving space in the vehicle. On the other hand, I do appreciate the argument that, you know, it's only 6 meters long, and there's a problem with storage. So all storage counts. So I appreciate both arguments as far as that is concerned. So let's now have a look around the back. So on the in front of us, on the left hand side, we have the gas cabinet, and I think you'd agree there's a lot of storage in here, and I'll even show you the gas. It's slightly different than it usually is in something like this. And you've got additional storage on the other side as well, and down here. That's where the pump is, but you can put stuff next to the pump. Now this one has been kitted out with a very impressive lighting setup, but I can't show it to you because it's during the day, and I tried filming it at night, but I couldn't with the camera. It wasn't quite good enough to do the full setup. Oh, look at that! I left the thing open, so I'll close that now. This obviously is there just to protect the floor. Comes with a snorkel. You'd be normally looking at around 80-90 centimeters of forwarding capacity in something like this. So what do you think then? I know there's a lot of more things I could have actually put into this video, and it had to do it rather quickly, as it turned out, but I'm going to do another one later and explain more about the vehicle. Now the cost of this, it's a bit difficult to actually say, but it's going to be towards 6 figures. The problem is, of course, that I can't say because I don't know the equipment that would be required from individual people, and I really do not like giving base prices at all, because I feel it's base prices are never what people actually pay. So good. I hope you found that of interest, and that you liked the video. I shall be doing lots more videos on this and many other vehicles. And so as far as for me, that's it for so thanks very much for watching, and all the best from Austria.